Facebook Marketplace tab not showing. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Facebook Marketplace tab visible on your home screen. Let's begin. First of all, you will have to launch your Facebook app. From here, as you can see on the top of my screen, I have different tabs like Home, Videos, Friends, Gaming, and then Notification, but I don't have my Marketplace tag here. So if you are a user that often goes to Marketplace and you want it more accessible to you, so you want it to have an easy access, then you will have to add it to this tab right here. So let's see how you can do it. Tap on this menu icon, and from here tap on Settings and Privacy and just tap on Settings. Now you will have to scroll down until you see the Preferences option, and from here you want to head over to Tab Bar, and from here choose Customize the Bar. So this is the shortcut bar where you can customize your tabs, and here are all of the available shortcuts, and Marketplace is also here, but it's set to auto. That means it will be hidden by default, so you will have to pin it. Tap on auto, and from here tap on pin. It looks like I can only pin 3 of these, so I'm going to remove this gaming section, and from here I'm going to choose the Marketplace to pin on my navigation bar. So it has been pinned right now. If I go back and then refresh, as you can see, the Marketplace tab is on my screen right now. And that's how you can make your Marketplace tab visible on your navigation bar. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.